Hi everybody, we're at the Illumina construction site in beautiful Burlington. I want to explain to you what this product is. It's called a flyer table form, and with this timeless technology, we can pour a floor a week, which is good for our purchasers because we'll be on time and on schedule.